Hey guys, Dave here, the Rad Company, and if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering what all comes in the MTM Magnum 28 foam kit. So in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing that and showing you everything that comes with this. So you have your pressure washer and you're ready to get to foaming, but you don't know which foam cannon to buy, but you've seen this Magnum 28 kit and it's been catching your eye. So let's unbox it today and show you what you get inside here. So this comes from our friends over at Veloci, aka MTM Hydro, and I'll kind of show you guys exactly what you're gonna get. But going through, we got your Magnum 28 foam kit user manual. You think that this wouldn't be handy, but trust me, it is, because it talks about the orifice size for your foam cannon. We'll get to orifices later. So from there, we're gonna be opening this up, and we have a cool presentation here on how they do the actual cartridge. So this is going to be the PF22 bottom tank. Now what's kind of cool about this is it comes with a lid. They didn't used to do this back in the day, so now for whatever soap or foam you don't use, put a cap on it. Now attached to your cartridge, you have the top of the PF22, which looks like this. So popping that off from there, here we go. So you'll have to attach the hose that actually goes down into this canister here. This is pretty simple. Once the hose is attached, you're going to twist that bad boy on and you are good to go. And that's going to be the front of where the foam comes out. And up here is where you're going to adjust how much foam you want to spend. So basically this adjusts the ratio on how much soap is pulled up through the system. So you have your plus and you have your minus. So if you're like me though, you're going to just crank that thing all the way up. Now on the very tip here, you can adjust your spray pattern. Now this is another really cool feature depending on how you like to spray your foam. You can spray it vertically or horizontally, however you choose. So me, I like to spray it vertically. That's just how I like to roll. But if you like to spray it horizontally, all you have to do is twist this bad boy and then adjust how wide or how narrow you want your spray pattern. It's really simple. I really like how they did this. Now from there, I want to point out that this is amazing. This thing is standing up on its own. And if you're an old school user of the PF22 from MTM, you'll know that that used to just fall over. But because of this new cartridge, canister, cartridge, whatever you want to call it, now it has the ability to stand on its own, which is pretty cool. Now from there, we have our SGS-28 handle. Now this isn't overly complicated. It is pretty much a handle, but it's a high quality, impact resistant handle. So if you drop it, it's gonna be able to take that abuse. Now you do have a locking mechanism on here, so if you're feeling a little too trigger happy, you can set that lock and save some product. Now the rest of our stuff here is accessories. So going through, we have our hose. So setting this up for the first time, I'm just gonna kind of show you a rough outline of how I would do this. You're gonna attach your hose into that. And once you get your hose on, that's going to pull the product and mix it on the fly, giving you that beautiful foam. So other than that, what else comes with it? I'm not gonna open this completely, but you do have a different orifice size in there. Now, what do I mean by orifice size? I touched on this previously. There's a little orifice inside there that adjusts the output, the volume of water that is coming out of the end of this. And so depending on what PSI your pressure washer is, you have two different options for an orifice to basically make it easy and make the foam cannon the most efficient that it possibly can be. Now, other than the orifice, what do you have left in here? You have a quick disconnect feature. So you do have one inside there along with some male fittings for other quick disconnects. And then you have some Teflon tape in there to seal everything up. So that is everything that you're going to need to get started with the MTM PF22 foam cannon kit. So basically attach your attachments to your SGS-28 handle and then pump it into your PF22 foam cannon and you are ready to go. So hopefully that answers the question of what comes inside the Magnum 28 foam kit. Now, if you have any other questions, make sure to leave them down below. But as always, if you guys like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and stay tuned for more videos right here at the Rad Company FAQ channel.